Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about Down syndrome, which is a genetic disorder caused by the irregular distribution of chromosomes in humans. This is the overview of this tutorial. We will discuss about the introduction and general characteristics about disease, the history of disease, the causes and symptoms of Down syndrome, types of Down syndrome, and treatment. So, let's start with the introduction about Down syndrome. It is a genetic disorder which causes due to the trisomy in 21st chromosome of human. The occurrence of Down syndrome is 1 out of 800 live births. So, with this data, we can assume the frequency of this disease in humans. The presence of extra chromosome or 2 plus 1 set of chromosomes is known as trisomy, which causes the Down syndrome in humans. In this diagrammatic representation, we can see the karyotype analysis in trisomy. Here, we can observe the 21st chromosome of human, which has 3 set of chromosomes, which indicates the trisomy in this chromosomal set, which causes Down syndrome. Actually, the karyotyping is the process of pairing and ordering all the chromosomes of an organism and then providing a genome-wide snapshot of an individual's chromosomes. These karyotypes are prepared with the help of standard staining procedures, and they help in the revealing characteristic structural features for each chromosome. Now, we will discuss about the history for the Down syndrome. So at first, in 1866, British physician John Langdon Haddon Down described the feature of Down syndrome. In 1866, Sir John Haddon Down noted that about 10% of his patients had extra folds in his eyelids and flat faces, which resembles like Mongolian heritage, and just because of the resemblance of their Mongolism, he considered the term as Mongolism. Later on, the discovery was named over it as Down syndrome. Now, we will discuss about the causes of Down syndrome. So, the major causes are comprises of abnormal cell division in the 21st chromosome of human. It also causes due to the trisomy in 21st chromosome and translocations between 21st and another chromosomes of gene. It also causes due to the non-disjunction of chromosomes. Now, with the help of this diagrammatic representation of aneuploidy, we will learn about the irregular distribution of chromosomes within the cell. In the first picture, we can see the non-disjunction in the first division of meiosis. Here, we can see one of the cell comprises of 2 sets of chromosome and the another cell have not any chromosome. In the second division or in meiosis 2, one of the chromosome have 3 set of chromosome and it shows the trisomic condition, and the another cell which have only 1 chromosome have shown the monosomic condition. Similarly, in the second picture, we can see the disjunction in the second division of meiosis. Here we can see in the first division the regular distribution of chromosomes within 2 cells. But in the second division, one of the cell have not any chromosome and the another cell have both the chromosomal sets in one cell. So as the final result, the one cell is trisomic and have 3 set of chromosomes and the another cell have only 1 set of chromosome and it is monosomic. So these are the causes who cause Down syndrome or trisomy in humans. So now we will discuss about the symptoms of Down syndrome. So there are some characteristics features who distinguish the patients of Down syndrome from other persons. They have hands with an atypical pattern of crisis, and many people who are suffering from Down syndrome have physical problems like heart related problems and kidney related problems also. According to an report, a person who is suffering from Down syndrome have much more chances to get affected from leukemia as comparison to the other person. The person who is suffering from Down syndrome have slanted eyes. He also cause mental retardation and furrowed tongue or flattened nose. Now, this is the picture of a girl who is suffering from Down syndrome. In this picture, we can observe the fingers of this girl which have atypical crisis. The face of the girl also shows some distinguished features like flattened nose and flattened face, which differences it from the another person's. In this slide, we will discuss about the types of Down syndrome. So basically, there are three types of Down syndrome which causes Down syndrome or trisomy 21 in humans. The first one is trisomy chromosome 21, the another one is mosaic Down syndrome, and the third type is translocation Down syndrome. These three types are distinguished or differentiated on the basis of aneuploidy in the cells. The first type of Down syndrome is trisomy in chromosome 21. It is the most frequent type found in the humans which causes Down syndrome. The trisomy 21 means there is an extra copy of chromosome 21 in every cell. The another type is mosaic Down syndrome, which is not much frequent in humans and it found in only 3% of Down syndrome patients. The mosaic Down syndrome occurs when a child is born with an extra chromosome in some cells of his body but not in all cells. That means there are some cells in the body of the child who has accurate number of chromosomes. The third type is translocation Down syndrome. In this type of Down syndrome, the children have only one extra part of chromosome 21 and there are 46 total chromosomes. However, one of them has an extra piece of chromosome 21 attached. So these are the types of Down syndrome which causes disease in. Now we will discuss about the diagnosis of Down syndrome in humans. Basically, a blood test can be done to check for the extra chromosome and the karyotype analysis also done to observe the extra chromosomal set in the 21st chromosome. For the diagnosis of heart-related and other physical problems, the echocardiogram or ECG can be done to confirm heart defects. The chorionic villus sampling is also done to diagnose the symptoms of Down syndrome in the fetus of human. But this is quite risky, so that there are high chances of miscarriage with this diagnosis technique. Now we will discuss about the treatment of Down syndrome. So there is not any drug which is designed to treat Down syndrome completely. It is a genetic disorder and it causes due to the neuploidy or aneuploidy in the chromosomal sets. However, the treatment can be done for the associated health-related problems like leukemia, heart-related problems or kidney-related problems. The occupational therapy also help with feeding and performing tasks, and mental health care and special care also help to perform activities for the children who are suffering from Down syndrome. Now we will discuss about the future trends for the diagnosis and treatment of Down syndrome. In this diagram, we can see the future trends with the help of gene silencing in the patients who are suffering from Down syndrome. In this technique, the fluorescence technique for the recognition of macromolecule is used to silence the extra gene in 21st chromosome. So, in this tutorial, we have learned about the Down syndrome, its structure, its causes, symptoms and treatment.